Market Live updates. SGX Nifty suggests positive start for Indian indices. Indian shares may open higher on Thursday, tracking global shares that were largely firm. Though US inflation was at its highest in decades, it largely met economists' expectations, cooling some fears that the Federal Reserve would have to pull back support even more forcibly than already expected. The Biden administration on Wednesday imposed its first sanctions over North Korea's weapons programs following a series of North Korean missile launches, including 2 since last week. The sanctions targeted 6 North Koreans, 1 Russian, and a Russian firm Washington said were responsible for procuring goods for the programs from Russia and China. The U.S. Treasury said the steps aimed both to prevent the advancement of North Korea's programs and to impede its attempts to proliferate weapons technologies. Besides the 10 companies, shares of firms like Tata Metaliks, GTPL Hathway, Sisk and Mindtree will be in focus as they announced their December quarter earnings today. Asia stocks were mixed Thursday. Nikkei index fell 0.37%. Australia's SP/ASX 200 index rose 0.6%. Hang Seng Index rose 0.4%. Kospi Index and Shanghai Composite Index was little changed. U.S. stock indexes rose on Wednesday after data showed that while U.S. inflation was at its highest in decades, it largely met economists' expectations, cooling some fears that the Federal Reserve would have to pull back support even more forcibly than already expected. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 38.3 points, or 0.11%, to 36,290.32. The SP 500 gained 13.28 points, or 0.28%, to 4,726.35, and the Nasdaq Composite added 34.94 points, or 0.23%, to 15,188.39.